What's up, y'all? Welcome to the 2006 MG Cup Series schedule reveal here um, on the channel. We are gonna just dive right on into this, and right after this, we get into the clash at Salem, I believe, or is it Winchester? Somewhere, I don't know. But yeah, obviously we start the season off with the biggest event, the Daytona 500. Then we head over to Nashville Superspeedway for the first time ever here in the MG Cup Series. Then we leave Nashville, head over to the Auto Club, newly remodeled and rebranded Auto Club Speedway. It's California Speedway, formerly known as California Speedway, but now it has been rebranded to Auto Club. Then we head back over to Riverside for our two back-to-back stops in tracks in California. Then on the way back over from the West Coast, we stop in Las Vegas. Then we make a quick pit stop in Kentucky, in the Midwest. Then we get back to the East at the Food City 500 at Bristol. Then we head from Bristol back to the Midwest to Texas. Then back to the East in Atlanta at the Atlanta Motor Speedway. Then we go to Talladega Superspeedway for the Aaron's 499. Then we leave Talladega Superspeedway, go to the Nashville Fairgrounds for the first time ever here in the MG Cup Series. That will be pretty cool as well. Then we leave the Nashville Fairgrounds, we head over to Lowe's Motor Speedway in Charlotte, North Carolina, or Concord, North Carolina, for the Coke 600, or yeah, Coca-Cola 600. Lowe's Motor Speedway at Charlotte, it says right there. Then we leave Lowe's, head over to Michigan for that big event. Then we go to Kansas Speedway for the first time since 2004, 2003, one of those years. Then we leave Kansas, go over to Portland. Then Sonoma Raceway, which is Infineon but rebranded as Sonoma, or renamed as Sonoma. Then we leave Infineon, we head over to Daytona once again for Pepsi 400. Then leave Daytona, go to Chicagoland. We leave Chicagoland and head back over to Texas Motor Speedway. Then we see the return of the Monster Mile. Dover International Speedway is now back on the schedule. Then we leave Dover, head over to Indianapolis Motor Speedway for the Brickyard 400. Then we leave Indy, head over to the Watkins Glen International race, I don't even know. Then we leave Watkins Glen and head back over to the state of Texas, this time for the Texas World 400. Then we leave Texas World and we go back to Kansas Speedway for the second time this season. And then we go to Darlington for the Southern 500. We leave Darlington and head back to Bristol. Then we go to Pocono for the first time this season. And then Las Vegas for the second time this season. Back to Talladega. And then Richmond makes its return on the schedule very late in the season. How about that? Lowe's Motor Speedway for the second time. And then Martinsville is still on the schedule. And we've got a good mix of tracks for this season's schedule. So how about that? Then back to Atlanta, Phoenix, Rockingham, and Homestead Miami Speedway to end things off. So yeah, this is sure to be a crazy season. Once again, lots of rookies, lots of veterans, and lots of drivers have retired, or a couple of drivers have retired after last season. So this will be interesting. It seems Terry Labonte and Rusty Wallace are gone. Kurt Busch has landed a ride with Jack. He's left Jack Roush. He's landed a ride with Roger Penske, and Jack Roush ended up hiring, who did they hire? Jamie McMurray in the 26 car. So changes this season so far. That with McMurray leaving the main Ganassi car to number 42, that means Casey Mears will be taking that car over. But anyways, coming to the green flag here in the clash, Chris Mack on pole, Jimmy Johnson starts P2, green flag is waving, we're racing in the clash for 2006. The first bit of action we'll see this year. And I'm not sure why we're on speed. I forgot to change the ticker, so that's my bad. Just pretend we're on Fox, because I don't feel like changing it right now. We're just gonna say that Speed is carrying the Clash along with ARCA for most of the season. So yeah, Chris Mack out in front here from Salem. Never raced here before on the channel, let alone in the series, but the Pro Series driver's looking to take on this track a little bit later on this year, so we'll see how that goes. But right about now, things looking pretty calm. See Mark Martin back in that number 9 car. That special 9 that he drives for the Clash. Some cars up high getting freight trained here. Look at Jeff Gordon down low, driving his new colors for this season. How about that? Ain't that beautiful? Green and white. Quite a big change from last season, but still very pretty race car there. Looking at the 99 of Carl Edwards now, right behind him, the 42 of Casey Mears, excuse me. Looking to get by Edwards. Now here comes the 38 of Elliot Sattler. Now Sattler is not going to be racing full time in that 38 car this year. He is moving over to share that 19 ride with Jeremy Mayfield for this season. So that'll be interesting to see how that goes there. There's the 25 of Brian Vickers. I think everybody else is kind of riding along. Now Mayfield, last car on the track right now, not looking too strong right now, but I don't know. Who knows? Maybe something will change. But for now, what we're gonna do here is have a long run. We're gonna skip to the halfway break. There's your halfway caution. We're gonna rack them back up and try it again. Double file restarts for this halfway caution. Since this race does not count for points or anything, we're just gonna try new things because why not? And fans seem to love double file restarts towards the end of last season, so we figured why not bring it to the Clash. Here we go. Let's rack them up, boys. There they go. They're gonna double them up. Let's see if Jimmy Johnson can get the jump on the high side. How about Dale Jr. running P4 up there as well? The 2 of Rusty Wallace making a one-off start here in the Clash, driving the car that Kurt Busch will be driving. Green flag is waved, and we are racing once again here from Salem. Chris Mack immediately drives away from the field. And I know it said Val Wolf's name up there, but that's Chris Mack. Don't worry. So now, with that being said, we already know how this is going to go. It's going to get spread out. Here we go. 2 laps to go for Chris Mack in the 86. Will he be our Clash winner? It looks like he will. He's already trying to catch Jeremy Mayfield and try to lap him once again, but he's not going to get there. White flag in the air one more time around here. That 86 driver, and what a way to kick off the season for Chris Mack. He's going to win the Clash here from Salem. So that's going to do it. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. Hope to see you guys next time, and until then, peace. Hope you're hyped for the Daytona 500. But yeah, peace.